6 power x plus 36 power x is equal to 216 power x. Find the value of x. So we have 6 power x plus 36 power x is equal to 216 power x. Now we divided by 216 power x in both sides. So divided by 216 power x divided by 216 power x divided by 216 power x. Now we see this will be cancelled. So here on. Now from here x same power but different base. So remember this exponential rule that a power n over b power n is equal to a over b, then bracket common power n. That means n same power but different base. So according to this formula we can write here 6 over 216, 6 over 216, then bracket common power x plus again x same power but different base. So according to this rule it will be 36 over 216, then bracket common power x is equal to 1 divided by 1, that means 1. Now we have 6 over 216 can be written as 36 times 6, then bracket power of x plus 36 can be written as 6 times 6, then over 216 can be written as 36 times 6, then bracket power of x is equal to 1. Now we see this 6 will be cancelled. Now this 6 will be cancelled. This 6 divided by 6, that means on. This 36 divided by 6, that means it will be 6. Now here we have on over 36, then bracket power of x plus 1 over 6 bracket power x is equal to 1. Now 1 by 36 can be written as 1 by 6 bracket power of 2. Then this first bracket can be written as second bracket, then power of x plus 1 by 6 bracket power x is equal to 1. Now here you can apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So according to this rule we can write here 1 by 6 bracket power x, then second bracket power of 2 plus 1 by 6 bracket power x is equal to 1. Now we see 1 by 6 bracket power x, 1 by 6 bracket power x, both term is same. So let 1 by 6 bracket power x is substituted by y. So our equation will be y square plus y then is equal to 1. Now I can write here y square plus y, then this plus 1 take to the left side, so this will be minus 1, then is equal to 0. Now here you can apply quadratic formula, so you can write here y is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Here a is as on, b is as on, after that c is as negative on. So I can write here y will be equal to minus b, that means on, plus or minus a square root of b square, that means 1 square, then minus 4 times a, that means on, times c, that means negative 1. So it will be bracket negative 1, then divided by 2 times a, that means on. Now I can write here y is equal to minus on plus or minus a square root of 1 square is same as on, minus times minus, that means plus, 4 times on, that means 4, then divided by 2 times on, that means 2. Now we see here two cases, so you can write here y is equal to minus on plus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, divided by 2, or y is equal to minus on minus minus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, divided by 2. But remember that y, that means remember that let 1 by 6 bracket power x is substituted by y. So y, that means it will be 1 by 6 bracket power x. So y, that means 1 by 6 bracket power x is equal to plus a square root of 5, that means a square root of 5, then minus on divided by 2, or y, that means 1 by 6 bracket power x is equal to minus on minus a square root of 5 divided by 2. Now we see 1 by 6 bracket power any number is always positive, but this is negative. Minus 1 minus a square root minus 1 minus a square root of 5 divided by 2, this is must be negative. So positive cannot be equal to negative, so this is rejected. Now from here we take log in both sides, so you can write here log of 1 by 6 bracket power x is equal to log of a square root of 5 minus on divided by 2. Now this power x will move to the base, so you can write here x log of 1 by 6 is equal to log of a square root of 5 minus on divided by 2. Now we need the value of x, so we divided by log of 1 by 6 in both sides, so divided by log of 1 by 6 divided by log of 1 by 6. Now this log of 1 by 6, this log of 1 by 6 will be cancelled, so we have x is equal to this divided by this, that means it will be log of square root of 5 minus 1 over 2, then base of 1 by 6. X is equal to log of square root of 5 minus 1 over 2 base of 1 by 6. So this is the value of x. So this is our final answer.